How to add a payment method in Uber Eats wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Wallet at the top. Click on Wallet at the top. After that, you'll find Payment Methods. Click on Add Payment Method. Then you'll find different options for your payment method. Select the one you prefer. If it's your credit or debit card, click on it. And then here, add your card number, expiration date, CVV, your country, and then press on Save at the bottom. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add a payment method in Uber Eats wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.